Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. You guys, this video, we're going to take a look at DIY Detail's Tire Dressing Tire Lotion. Let's do it. All right, you guys, so before we get this video started, if you haven't done so, take a second, go down below the video, hit that subscribe button, turn on the little bell so that every time I upload video, you do get notified. So you guys, DIY Details Tire Dressing, I have used this once. I really like it. I like it as a semi-gloss or satin finish. It looks really good because that's the way I prefer my tires. Now, Ivan says in one of the videos that if you do a second coat, you can get that donut glaze look or the high shine. This customer in particular, I just got done doing a full detail, wheels off detail on these chrome wheels. They were in pretty bad shape. I'll insert some pictures right here so you guys can see kind of the before and after. It's off my cell phone, so it's not going to be the whole width of the screen. But you can see it just had like little pitting marks. Not quite sure exactly what it was, but I basically took these off, cleaned them outside off the car, put them up on my workbench, on my wheel clean stand, and I went to town. I got about 2 hours into each wheel to get them to look this good. You guys, they look really good. So one thing left to do now is make these tires look better. Now, when I use a tire shine, I've said this a million times in my videos, and if you've been on my channel enough, you probably know what I'm getting ready to say. I never want my tires to outshine my wheels. So I don't want this tire to take the attention. I want the wheel to get everybody's attention. I want the tire to kind of just blend in a little bit so they're not real noticeable. Just a nice satin finish. These tires have been completely cleaned and stripped. They are ready to receive the Tire Dressing Tire Lotion from DIY Detail. This product here, the directions do say to spray onto clean, dry tires. That is not the way I want to do it. I'm going to spray it into a crescent applicator, you guys. I do sell these on my website. It has a rubber back on it, which is great. We're going to spray into that, and then we're just going to put it on manually. So for best results, apply to a clean and dry tire. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. But it says DIY Detailed Tire Dressing creates a glossy, protected tire ready to win the show. So you put that second coat on, you're going to get that high gloss. Yeah, that's about it. You guys, it does come with a sprayer, and you're just ready to go. We're going to spray into the applicator, and we're going to apply it to the tire. Let me get the camera set up so you guys get a good view. All right, guys, one thing I forgot to mention a minute ago, the tire dressing from DIY Detail is a water-based dressing, so it is going to dry to the touch, which is awesome. That's what I always look for in tire shine more than anything else. I don't want the sling down the side of the car, so if it dries to the touch, then that means you're not going to get any sling, which is great. So I'm going to just apply it to here. Just going to spray, kind of prime it up a little bit. Okay, and we're just going to go around just like any other tire shine. It is a little thin. Now, Ivan does show that you can use a brush on it, especially get all these little, on these Goodyears, these little ribs. But it'll be just fine. It'll dry just fine. If you do get on the wheels, like I did right here, you can take a microfiber towel and just wipe it. It's not a big deal. I probably put a little bit too much on. Now on these wheels, we have this lip, which is great for this applicator right here. It can get right in there on that lip. And the nice thing about this, I have this thing on my lift, so I can rotate this tire around, and I can do the rest. So I don't have to worry about trying to get the bottom of the tire or moving the car. That's pretty much it. I mean, tire shine, you guys know how to apply tire shines. But it's just going to give us that look that we're looking for. And I know this customer, he does not want glossy tires. So this is like the perfect dressing for him. And I like to go around another time just to make sure I don't have anything left over, kind of runny spots, any spots that I might miss because I am human. And that's pretty much it. And I do need to wipe down like the edge of the rim, but let me show you guys. Okay, so look at this. And as it dries, it actually loses a little bit of the sheen, which is what I want it to do. But it makes this wheel pop even more than just those dry looking tires, as you can see. And as it's curing, as it's drying, I guess I should say, like I said, it's going to lose a little bit of its shine. I may have missed a spot right there. Yeah. Oop. Knock the bottle over. Yeah, and I'll show you guys what this looks like outside. But man, does that change the look of the wheel. So you got this look, right? Versus this look. It just makes it look so much better. All right, so what we're gonna do on this one, you guys, I'm gonna try to do like a 50-50 if I can, to kind of give you guys an idea of kind of a before and after, what it's gonna make the rubber look like. And like I said, it's not a really high shine, which is perfect. So let's try this. I probably won't be able to do it the way I'm envisioning in my head, but nonetheless, we will try. That's about right there. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give it about 5 minutes. I'll go do the other tires and come back and let you guys see the final result. Man, I just rubbed that right across the wheel. The final result and what it's gonna kind of dry like, and kind of get an idea the old part of the tire versus the tire shine side and the difference of what it's gonna make it look like with the satin finish. All right, you guys, so it's been, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes. It is completely dry to the touch, nothing coming off. This kind of give you an idea. So this is the clean side of the tire before the dressing, obviously. This is after. It mainly makes it more black. It makes the black deeper looking and makes it look so much better. Looks more like a, well, it looks better than new, I guess is what I should say. Because this side, I mean, the tire's cleaned up really well. So this is what it looked like when it was new. And then with the dressing, as you can see. Because this side over here has been on for about 10 minutes now. And as you can see, not much of a shine, right? Just a little bit of a sheen, but look, it makes that wheel kind of blend into that wheel well and really make that chrome just stick out and pop out at you. All right, you guys, so it's all done. Looks really good. For me, it's just perfect. One coat. If you want that extra shine, just put another layer on there. Yeah, very easy to use, dry to the touch. You're not gonna get any slinging. Can't ask for much more than that. All right, you guys, so that's gonna do it for this video on the DIY Detail Tire Dressing Tire Lotion. You guys, super simple to use. I mean, it's a tire shine, right? It's a little bit runnier than what I'd like. I like to be a little bit thicker. That's probably my only complaint on it, but the tires look amazing. I mean, they just look so good. They're nice and they're satin. They just have a deep, dark black look is what you want. It makes that wheel stick out. The black kind of blends in with the rest of the car and the wheel wells. It makes that chrome just pop, or if you don't have chrome, it's still gonna make your aluminum wheels just pop even more, make them look even better, in my opinion, you guys. Just hide that tire, make that wheel stick out, and that's what this does really well. One thing I did fail to mention, the stuff smells amazing. It smells so good when you're using it, which is always a positive when it comes to detailing products, because back in the older days when I really started detailing, everything just smelled like straight chemicals. You didn't really have the nice perfumes and smells that the chemicals today have, you guys. So that just makes it a bonus when it comes to a product like this, you guys. If you want a glossier look, once again, just gonna have to add a second layer, and that's gonna make it glossier looking for you if you like that type of tire. That's just not me, and that's not this customer, but some people do. And I have people ask me for a high shine tire. When I put tire shine, I put a high shine, so I get the products out to do that. The downside is you really want a really high shine, you normally have to get a solvent-based, not a water-based. I like water-based because it's gonna dry the touch. You're not gonna get sling all down the side of your perfectly clean car. You just got done detailing for hours and hours, which has always annoyed me in the past. Spray an applicator, wipe on. You can spray jerk on the tire, it does say that, but I don't ever recommend that. One thing Ivan does show doing in some videos is he sprays it into a brush, and they brush it on to help get in the ribs and stuff, you guys. I haven't tried that, but I watched the video, it looks like it works pretty well. Just my normal applicator works good enough for me when it comes to using a tire shine, you guys. But that's about it for a tire shine video, just showing you guys application, what it looks like after. I'll put a link in the description of the video where you can find this on DIY Detail's website. I also put a link where you can find the Crescent tire shine applicators on my website, you guys. It's down in the description of the video for you guys to go, and you can check that out. So if you like this video and this video is helpful, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, join the Fab family. We'd love to have you. We'll see you in the next video.